and welcome back to the Lang 6 channel. So I've been asked a few times, since this is my fourth child, what kind of carrier I would suggest for new moms or people that are looking for a baby carrier. And I always have, since my firstborn, have gone with a wrap. This one is the Boba wrap, but there's many brands, there's different kinds, there's different thicknesses and different materials. I like this material. It's very breathable during the summer, very warm during the winter. It's stretchy. All my babies have always felt comfortable in them, and actually go to sleep with them. I'm able to do house chores or play with my other kids or cook supper or whatever. So I figured I would do a tutorial on how to wear it. Because when I first got it, it was just this big piece of fabric and I wasn't sure what to do with it. So I had to look it up myself. So I figured I would make my own tutorial on how I use this, as there is a few different ways you can wear it depending on how old your baby is and what position you want your baby in. You can also have them facing out if they're a little bit older. So if that's what you want to see, let's get to it then. So what you're going to do first is you're going to look for the middle of your wrap and place it right over your stomach, and then you're going to cross the back. So I put it over my stomach and it's just crossed in the back right now. Then you're going to go over your shoulders. So it's just behind my back, and now there's a cross in the back. Then you're going to take both ends and tuck them under that part that's over your stomach. And you're going to take both ends and cross them in front of you and to your back, and cross those again. Now, depending on how long your wrap is and where you want to end it, where you're more comfortable, I just tie it straight in the front. So it's comfortable, it's on you, you're good. That's how the back looks. And then you go get your baby. So I have him here. So what I do is put one leg under the cross, and under his bum, and then the other leg goes under the other cross. Now it's pretty secure just like that, but to make it more comfortable so you can move around, you find the part that we first started with that was against your stomach, and you pull that over his legs. And I just try to push it up a little bit on the sides, and there you go. Now he's almost 3 months, so he's able to hold his head up. But when he was a newborn, all I simply did was take one of the sides and would put it over his head so that he was more comfortable and I wasn't worried about his head rocking back and forth. And that's it. You're good to go. You move around, they're very secure. You're not worried about them falling out or falling over, and your arms are free to do other stuff. And there you go. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And thanks for watching.